right, so today's message is about the American Consumer Council. You guys have a membership if you guys are doing my mentorship. You guys have a lifetime pass for American Consumer Council, right? And remember, these guys partner with credit institutions. They partner with credit unions. And I just want you guys to utilize each tool you have. These credit unions that the ACC are partners with are more flexible and credit friendly for building your credit. This is why I refer you guys to the American Consumer Council. This is why I refer you guys to use partners and institutions that partner with these. We want to make sure you're utilizing every tool available on your credit repair journey, and partnering with the right credit union is a major step to the right direction, right? If you want to get a car, house, quick loan, and if you need help picking one, they have a list. Go onto the AmericanConsumerCouncil.com website and utilize this tool, man. It's going to teach you about financial stuff. It's going to give you insight on stuff, what others have done and failed. Try it out. Straight like that. Have a great day.